Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the Galaxy AI tips and tricks for the call assist. So there are some many Galaxy AI features now available with the Samsung calling app. So in this video we'll check out that. In this Galaxy AI update we got some really awesome features with the call assist, and today we are going to check them out. These features can be really helpful for you. Now to check out these features you just have to simply go to your calling app, and from here you have to select these three dots, and from here now click on settings. And after going into your settings you will get to see these two features of the call assist like text to call and live translate. So first we will check out this text to call. So the text to call allows you to answer call without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. You will see what they say in our text chat, then you can type your message and responses that will be said aloud. You can also generate some quick responses for the moment, or you can add some quick responses as well from here. There are some other options of the language and the voice pack also available. You can select the language as well. There are multiple language packs available. You can also hear what the other person is saying during the text to call by simply turning this feature on from here. Now let's check out the next feature, that is live call translate. So this live call translation feature is a really awesome feature if you travel a lot, or if you're talking to someone who do not speak your language and you do not speak their language. Your and their voice will be translated using the Galaxy AI. You will get real-time translation during calls, and it will break all the language barriers between you and the other person who do not speak your language. You just have to simply select the language of yourself and download that language pack, and after that you can also select the voice and speech rate from here. Next up you have to simply download the language pack of the other person from here. There are multiple language packs available. You will have to download one of them, and it also gets some frequent updates of the language packs as well. And also recently with the new update you can use this live translate feature in other apps as well. This live translate feature is now available in the WhatsApp, Meet, Messenger and Instagram. Now you can use this live translate feature there as well. And if you ask how, the animation is available. As you can see, you just have to swipe down, and from here you will get to see this live translate option. The live translate option will be available somewhere here. Now let's check it out. You just have to simply click on call assist and then click on live translate. Now your live translation will begin, and if you want to use text to call, simply click on call assist, then click on text to call. Both of these features are currently available for free. You can check them out. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the calling features that you can try out, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe.